and welcome back to HVAC Talk, Let's Be Real. My name's Renee, I'm one of the owners of LCS.
And I'm Mark, I'm the Senior Service Tech at LCS.
Our question this week is, let's be real. Wi-Fi connected thermostats are hot. So, do you do it yourself or do you have a professional install it for you? What do you think, Mark?
If you feel that you have the skill set to do it, by all means, go ahead. Turn off the power first.
No, for sure.
And turn it back on.
You're right, you want to have heating or cooling afterwards.
Yes.
All right, so you're definitely going to save some money if you do it yourself.
Yes.
Okay, so then why would you have a professional do it for you?
We install hundreds of these things every year. And we are trained by the manufacturers, and by having the experience and the training from the manufacturer, you will get an extended warranty on it over the ones that you buy at the big box store.
Oh, and that's a big deal because with thermostats, if they break or if they quit working, there's not really a part to replace.
Nope.
Right? So you have to replace it. So you're either going to do that yourself and deal with the manufacturer and getting a new one, or you have the professional just come back out and replace it for you under warranty.
Right.
Okay. How much longer generally is that warranty?
They generally extend it like 2 years over what you get when you buy it off the shelf.
Okay. Now, tell me this, Mark. Will any Wi-Fi connected thermostat work with any furnace or air conditioner?
No, there are so many different types of furnaces and air conditioners out there that, you have to have the correct control for that.
Okay. Is it possible to have the correct thermostat and wire it up wrong?
Yes, it is. If you don't put all the wires where they belong, it's not going to work as designed.
Okay, so on the higher efficient furnaces and air conditioners and heat pumps, a lot of them come in different stages. And if you're investing money in those stages, which helps with efficiency, if you wire it up incorrectly or if you have the wrong thermostat, you might lose one of those stages or a few of those stages.
There are furnaces out there with 35 to 40 stages. If you don't have a 35 or 40 stage thermostat for that, you're not going to get that efficiency.
Okay. Would you know? Like, how would you know if you weren't getting it or not?
Oh, you'll know when you get your bill.
Ha! Gas or electric, right?
Correct.
Want to avoid that at all costs.
Absolutely.
Okay, so that's some great information. Good reasons to have a professional do it rather than doing it yourself. If a customer were to go buy a thermostat themselves at a store and have you install it, a professional, would that automatically extend that warranty?
No, ma'am.
Okay, how does a manufacturer even know?
They put different model numbers on them.
Tricky.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Well, I hope that provides you with some good information this week about thermostats, Wi-Fi connected thermostats. Any questions, of course, feel free to comment or give us a call. Otherwise, we will plan to see you next week on next week's edition of HVAC Talk, Let's Be Real.